In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create scorecard comparisons for multiple date ranges in Looker Studio. The process involves using multiple scorecards and adjusting their settings to display various comparison periods. While each scorecard can only display a single comparison date range, by cleverly arranging multiple scorecards, you can showcase comparisons across different timeframes seamlessly. First, let's navigate to Looker Studio. Once you're there, the goal is to work with scorecards as they are perfect for displaying key metrics and their variations over time. Begin by setting up your primary scorecard. Add this to your report by selecting the key metric you wish to analyze and then setting its main date range. This step serves as the foundation on which you'll build your comparisons. Now that your primary scorecard is in place, it's time to configure the first comparison. In the Scorecard's Properties panel, navigate to the Setup tab, where you'll find the option to select a comparison date range. Here, you can choose your preferred comparison period. Common options include previous period, previous year, or even a fixed date range if you wish to specify a custom period. Setting this will allow you to view your data in the context of your chosen time frame, offering valuable insights into trends and changes over time. After setting up your first comparison, the next step is to introduce a second scorecard to add another layer of analysis. You can either duplicate the existing scorecard or create a new one. This flexibility allows you to swiftly begin configuring the second comparison. For this new scorecard, adjust the comparison date range to another period you wish to analyze. If your first scorecard comparison was set to previous period, you may choose previous year for the second. This way, you are presented with a broader context and varied insights thanks to different temporal perspectives. Finally, pay attention to the styling and placement of your scorecards. A clear presentation is vital for an effective analysis. Arrange the scorecards in a manner that makes your comparisons obvious and intuitive. You might consider de-emphasizing certain elements on one scorecard, like the metric value or the comparison label, to draw focus to the comparison percentage or the absolute change from another scorecard. This thoughtful arrangement can greatly enhance the clarity of your report, making it more accessible and informative. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create robust scorecard comparisons for multiple date ranges in Looker Studio, providing you with a powerful tool to analyze your metrics over time. This technique not only enhances your report's visual appeal, but also allows for deeper insights, helping drive better, data-informed decisions. Thank you for watching and happy analyzing with Looker Studio.